don't want the big toe? I thought you were playing a game. Do you want to throw it down to Julia again? Wait, Julia, are you going to get it? Julia. Julia, it's over there.
Uh-oh. Pick it up.
I know, Julia got it.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Pick it up. Up the thing.
No, I think Julia found it. I don't think it made it to the ceiling, sweetie. I think Julia got it.